She got me into bed and made me feel things.
Sige, samahan na kita.
Talaga?
Pero may kondisyon ako.
Kondisyon? Kondisyon?
Una, hindi mo na ako hahalikan.
Yun lang. Eh kahit pag maawa ka pa sa akin, hindi na kita halikan, ano?
First kiss, ano ba? Siyempre kilig. Sino ba naman di kikiligin kay Richard, di ba?
Max. Hanep.
Kiligin, hindi ka ba eh. Kinilig ako. Ikaw na ako na, hindi ko alam.
Ako, kinabahan ako. Ewan ko sa'yo. Yung first kiss kasi namin sa pelikula, hindi siya yung normal kiss na isang babae tsaka isang lalaki na nagmamahalan, na maghahalikan. Yung sa amin, hate namin yung isa't isa eh. Tapos pinilit ko lang siya na halikan ako. Parang ganon yung eksena eh, di ba? Parang ganon yung dating.
Puro alam din namin,
Hindi
parang
typical,
kiss
hindi
eh.
typical eh. So, iba yung atake. So, medyo kinabahan ako at the same time. Siyempre, pakiramdam ko swerte ako dahil si Marian yun, di ba?
Talaga lang totoo.
If this isn't love we're making, then I don't know what it is. Oh, no.
I've seen the rushes of the movie and I'm very sure and I'm very confident that this movie is going to be a big hit. My best friend's girlfriend will really captivate the hearts of the moviegoers because it's something new that we're going to be producing. Richard Gutierrez, who is always the star on a Valentine's movie, would have a different leading lady this time.
Feb 13, you will be falling in love with the new tandem of Richard and Marian in My Best Friend's Girlfriend. I'm sure you will enjoy it with your family, with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with your friends. Please watch it. We put a lot of work and effort into the movie, and I'm sure that your Valentines will be very bright and happy after you watch this movie.
I'd like to invite everyone to watch My Best Friend's Girlfriend, this year's Valentine movie. It's a romantic comedy that I'm sure everyone would love to watch. Nakakatawa, nakaka-inlove.
Mga kapuso, kung gusto nyo kiligin this Valentine's Day, kung gusto nyo mag-enjoy, isama nyo ang buong pamilya ninyo, barangay ninyo sa pinakamalapit na sinihan, at panoorin ninyo ang My Best Friend's Girlfriend. Diba?
At kung nag-enjoy kayo sa mga nakita nyo, ano pang ginagawa nyo? Markahan nyo na yung kalendaryo sa Feb 13 po. Makita-kita po tayo sa mga paborito nyong sinihan. At tiyak po na magugustuhan nyong mabuti to at malay nyo, may ma-develop pa.
Tama. Ngayon, tapos na natin panoorin lahat ang The Making ng My Best Friend's Girlfriend. Panoorin naman natin ang full trailer namin.
Ito na yun! This is election. We play this is time for all the ladies. So let's go drive me crazy. Listen, I'm coming to cool girlie. We talk now, we coming to one MIC. You're not such a jungle, that's be nice, I'm crazy. You're not such a jungle, if I fancy me, love them, man.
Grace, siya nga pala si Ivo, best friend ko. Ivo, si Grace, girlfriend ko.
Si Mark, pinakilala niya sa akin yung best friend niya. Alam mo sino?
Sino?
Si Ivo, yung lalaki ng bastos dun sa stag party.
Alam mo, hindi mo na tayo susumbong kay Mark na yun. Pero ito sinasabi ko sa'yo, huwag na huwag mong lolokohin ng kaibigan ko.
I had enough. Break na tayo. You can have all the good times you want.
Pare, huwag ka muna umalis. Alam mo, may problema pa ako kay Akiko. Tinamaan ako sa kanya, pare, dito. Ang lalim mo.
If you want her back, bakit hindi mo siya pagsilosin? Para bumalik sa'yo.
Hindi ko sasabihin kay Mark lahat ng kalokohan mo kung papayag ka na magpanggap bilang bagong girlfriend ko para pagsilosin yung ex ko.
Bakit ako pa?
Ayoko sa ibang babae. Gusto kita dahil safe ako sa'yo dahil hindi ako may in love sa mga tipo mo.
Kissing you was not what I had planned.
In love ka na kay
Ivo? Sister, paano na si Papa Mark? Akala ko mahirap magpanggap na mahal kita. Mas mahirap pala magpanggap na hindi kita mahal.
But now you're looking at me. You're the only one I can think of. You're the only one I see. All I need is just a little more time to be sure what I feel. Is it all in my mind? Though it seems so hard to believe that you're all I need.